Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Emporia Smart 4. You need to begin by locating and opening Play Store on both devices and then installing this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select receive on Emporia and send on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into photos. Select only one, for example that one, click on send and tap on got it. Over here on Emporia you need to choose no thanks and close this window. Now we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the apps, or in this case only allow, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and then click on receive button. Now, after a little couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!